Hey everyone, this is a quick review of the DayBetter LED strips. I've got the 50-foot version. We put it under my daughter's bed, so she's got a nice little nook. She can use the remote with these to change colors to whatever she wants. There's also a Bluetooth app that you can use to fine-tune these. You can set them to strobe, to pulse different colors, to slowly change from one to the other. They are super easy to install. They're adhesive backed. So once you've got the desired length, you don't have to string the extra somewhere else. You can cut it across the 4 gold-looking contacts, and it will keep that portion that you have hooked into the controller working. The other part you'll have to throw away because there's just really no use for it because it doesn't have an extra controller. Another great feature of these is the DC converter from wall power to 12 volts is CE certified. That means it's safe, it's been checked out, it's not sketchy electronics, it's going to be okay to use. That was especially important to me because it's underneath my daughter's bed and I don't want a fire risk. And just to be sure, I checked with an infrared camera and confirmed the plug didn't get hotter than 100 degrees, and the light string and its controller never got hotter than 90 degrees, which barely feels warm at all when you touch it. So overall, this is a super economical way to just make a room look amazing, whether you're doing it around the top near the ceiling or you're doing it underneath a bed like this. It's extra fun, especially for a kid's room. It gives them a lot of personalization and customization they can do on their own.